My name is Alma Redondo. I've been working for All Metals for 23 years. It's a really family environment. Everybody's just there to help you out, friendly. Um, it's great working for Bill and Billy and Lance now. It's just a family environment. It makes you feel good. I work at hardware and assembly department. We put parts together every time. There's always something new, something different, and it's a challenge doing that. So I like doing that. I like having challenges and build new parts. It's always something different here, so you don't get bored. We have 5 different machines. I work on all of them, and I do assembly, which is away from the machines. I just remember that there's been a couple times years ago where the customer needed their parts, and Billy stopped doing what he was doing, and he went over there and helped us out. And he will be there for us. So just a good memory to remember that he was always out there for us. Well, the main thing is that I've been here for 23 years and I've been growing with them. And thanks to them, I've been able to work and make a living for my family. My boys work here as a part-time in the summer. They let them do that. One of them worked here for 5 summers. And now he is graduated from university and he's an engineer. They like it, the entire thing, the family environment. They always see us as a part of them, not just another employee.